Yeah, we use some cold water.
Fishy! Fish! Where are you?
Our dishes over here, and our brushes and sponges.
Mom?
There.
Fishy snow
Some little characters, little water slide. You want to put the duck down the slide?
Mom? Yeah.
Can I see the duck go down the slide?
Mom?
Yeah?
You want to see
Yeah.
me? Fishy. Woo!
You can turn this.
And
We got our vegetables. Oh, and the cucumber.
Yung negative